lamang natin sa paliparang pagdatingan ng kilo. Ang oras po ay 46 na minuto makalipas ang ikadalawa ng hapon. Tayo po ay patungo sa Manila Domestic Oil Terminal para sa inyong maayos na pagbaba. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo hanggang ang sasakyan ay ganap ng nakahinto at ang pabala sa paggamit ng seatbelt ay hindi na nakailaw. Maaari niyong kunin ang iyong hand-carried baggage kapag ang sasakyan ay ganap ng nakahinto. Sa ngalan po ni Kapitan Singian ng Montes Air Crew, nagagalak po kami nakapag-respond sa inyo. Sana po ay nasihan kayo sa inyong ipad. Inaasahan po namin magkikita tayo muli. Maraming salamat po at maligayang pagdating dito sa Maynila. We have just landed at Pinoy Aquino International Airport. The time now is 46 minutes past the hour of 2 in the afternoon. We are now proceeding to Manila Domestic Oil Terminal for your proper disembarkation. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs are switched off. For safety reasons, please do not remove your hand-carried baggage from its stowage until the aircraft comes to a full stop. Before deplaning, please check your seat pocket, your sitting area, and overhead bins. For the hand-carried items, you might leave behind. On behalf of Captain Singian and the entire SAS Air Crew, thank you for making SAS Air a part of your day. It has been our pleasure serving you. We hope you enjoyed your flight and see you again soon in one of future flights. Have a blessed stay here in Manila, wherever your final destinations may be. Binibinikin at paggamit po ng cellphone sa loob ng aeroplano at sa rampa ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Maaari niyo po itong gamitin sa loob ng terminal living. Salamat po sa inyong kooperasyon. Ladies and gentlemen, the use of cell phones inside the aircraft and in the ramp area is strictly prohibited. You may switch it on once you have reached the terminal building. Thank you for your cooperation.